Hello, I'm JW, and this is a piece of flex from a vacuum cleaner. I had to just replace this earlier for a customer. The problem was that every time this moved, it would disconnect and stop the thing working, and then if you moved it again slightly, it would start working again. So obviously that was pretty annoying when you're trying to clean the place up. So I took this flex out, and the problem is at this end. This is the end that went into the cleaner here. So it was moving this section, which as you can see is fairly sort of all bent out of shape and certainly has some problems. So we'll just have a quick look inside and see what the actual problem was, because this isn't a particularly old appliance, and it's either one of these is either broken or has cut through in some fashion. Now this is the bit of flex here. This is the end that went into the cleaner here with the paired ends there, and I see it's fairly flat here. But then as you get to this section, which is where the issue occurred, it's all gone bent out of shape, and there's obviously some kind of bulge there, and clearly it's certainly not going to work. So what we'll do is just cut into this and see what we can actually find inside. Right, now here's the two wires inside. This brown obviously looks fine. Just go along the length there, it seems reasonably intact, and certainly doesn't want to break. But the blue neutral one, see there's actually a significant amount of damage here. And you just have to wonder whether that was actually caused by just simply moving the flex around, because there's obviously a break within there, which isn't the sort of thing you would expect to have broken just from moving the cable around in normal use. So let's see if we can strip that open, if we can. Right, well there's the two ends of the wire. This must be one half, that's the other half there, and you see it's several of the strands just fractured through and broken. But the piece in the middle, where those two pieces have joined, has got a certain amount of blackening within the insulation itself. So that's been caused by the faulty connection, which obviously got a bit of sparking and arcing going on inside there. So it may well be that this was actually a defective piece of cable in the first place, because normally just bending this around is not going to cause all of the strands to fracture through like that. And even if some of them did, it's highly unlikely you're going to be able to break most of the way through the neutral conductor, with of course outdoing the live at the same time, which obviously a normal cable would be directly next to it like that. And it's not as if this has been pinched or damaged in something. You can say this is right at the actual cleaner itself by the handle, so again fairly unlikely, and the outer sheath would have obviously showed a cut mark or some other damage, which obviously it didn't. So yeah, very interesting. It may have been say a weak point in the cable, just say a few broken strands when it was manufactured. So it certainly looks like that wire was either defective when it was made, or had a sort of weak point in that blue neutral conductor there. But until next time, thanks for watching.